Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to solve the YouTube comments not showing on desktop. So if you are new in this channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe this channel. Okay, now you can see we are on YouTube, and let's suppose open up any video. Okay, now you can see this is showing that restricted mode. Okay, it's turned on the restricted mode. Now what you need to do is click on your profile picture. Now you can see restricted mode. You need to turn off this restricted mode. Okay, now when you turn off this restricted mode, now let me just open up any video. Okay, and let me show you that comment working or not. Now you can see that the comments are working fine, right? So in this way you'll be able to solve the problems of YouTube comments not showing on desktop.